All right, one of the things that I want you to do is the next thing. You see this reframe exercise? I would love for you to try to reframe each of these symptoms. There's depression, there's smothering behavior, helicopter parenting, you know. There's the distant person, there's the runaway, there's the nagger, there's the disrespectfulness, there's the lazy person, there's the talkative, loud, hyper, demeaning, or demanding, impulsive, and easily distractible. And so I don't have a need for you to have to do them all, though, so why don't we've got 3 different tables, so why don't each of you take 4, how about? Like, you guys take 1 through 4, you 2 take 5, 6, 7, and 8, and will you guys do 5? Or does that seem oppressive?
No, I'll do 5, that's fine.
Do 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Not number 5. That's taken, I got that one.
You can't blame a guy for trying.
9, 10, 11, 12, 13?
Yeah. Yes, yeah. Yeah. At 13. And so your task is to try to reframe. And if you want to, you might just go ahead and write it out, the alternative reality, the reframe. Think of this when you do that, though. Not only do you want to create an alternative perspective, but you want to move from linear to circular.
I'll do 11 and 12.
You want to move from blaming an individual to sharing the symptom with others. That's what it means to move from linear to circular.
Maybe you could do number 13.
I think number 13.
I was going to say an example would be,
Yeah, you
Cool,
do
too.
one with us, I would say, so we kind of get an idea of just how it would go.
All right, okay. I'm gonna take one of the easier ones then, and I'm going to, like, say, for example, impulsive. And I know you teachers know this one really well. You know, when somebody is saying, "Oh, that kid is so impulsive. That kid is, you know, can't concentrate and can't do this and can't do that. And they're so impulsive." How might you reframe that?
creative.
Creative and interested in many things and energetic and trying to speed things up. Oftentimes somebody who's impulsive is connected to somebody who's very slow, right? So do you see how I tried to share that symptom so that it isn't just his? Spontaneous. For every viewpoint, there are 1,000 alternatives, folks. That's what makes it so very creative and fun and doable. And your job is, and I want you to know that it's much harder to do a piece of paper like this. This is going to be a lot harder for you to reframe than if you were in a conversation with Don and Barb. Because that is a give and take, and that is a tweaking, and they take a little bit of it, and then they take it where they need to, and you follow them, and it's so much easier, but this is what we got so far. Okay? Now, one more thing for you before you go. I'm sorry, I'm going to give you a lot of homework. Go over to Strategic Family Therapy